Visual. Visual.
Hindi ko ano may picture dalawa.
Ay, isa sa mga project dito. Hi, Ken!
Hi guys. Hello po. I'm
Hi, Liza! Sure? Doon na paglabas. Hi! Oh my God, you're so pretty.
Thank you.
Thank you. Hi, remember me? Yes, I do. How's it going? I'm good. How's the concert? Good. It was nice. Was Camila? No, that's not the reason. I'm so jealous. You're jealous of me? You should be jealous of Jella. I know. Yeah, let's go.
Sorry.
Hi, Eric.
Thank you guys. Hi. What's up?
Thank you. You following me? I moved here.
Sorry.
I know guys, we gotta go. Let me do it.
Ayaw nga. Hey, what's up, dogs?
What's up, dogs?
Alam pa nakukulitan ka na. How do you feel hindi pa rin sumusuko yung mga fans mo na ikaw daw si Darna?
Hindi ko alam. Wala ko naman po talaga
Yes.
official statement or saying that I am going to be playing the iconic role. Pero if ever, I would love to.
Ang sabi ng manager mo na si Odi, isa ka daw sa kino-consider.
Sana po.
Okay.
Reaction mo dun yan,
Hindi.
Siyempre, I'm always gonna support her no matter what.
Oo.
Siya talaga. Siya talaga.
Okay. Tanungin ko lang kayo